Hey everyone, at Get Sections, we help merchants to discover new inspirations, find out how the stores in a specific vertical and niches are look like, and improve their own e-commerce operations through weekly insights and overviews that we record. Today I wanted to go through a cool looking online store that is called GSI Outdoors. And the way I'm reviewing the stores is basically going through 3 pages: main page, collection page, and product details page, highlighting all the interesting sections and the way how this store makes the user experience looks cool. Let's go. So we're on the main page, and it does have announcement bar. It's an animated announcement bar. The overall experience of the store is very clean and minimalistic, with really cool, apparently custom made icons. And they have a static hero section with a static background, no video backgrounds and stuff like that. Right after this, we can see the gift guide and multiple teasers for different product categories. Obviously, they are adjusted to specific time of the year. I'm recording it at Black Friday, so it's end of November. So we have the holiday theme and gift ideas and stuff like that. The next section is a featured collection, which showing most likely their best sellers or the products that they have best margin on. So ultimately, they want to highlight those. Then there is a banner, a teaser section that is showing a specific category. In this case, it's stoves. Another banner section, which advertising their store gift card, which is a great idea, honestly, because people would like to give that as a gift to somebody. Which is also being met very often is the why us section, and in many cases it is featuring the social impact and the way how that merchant is actually contributing to community or to a greater cause. So they listing out what their company do, and there is a large footer area. Let's take a look and check how this main page looks like on a mobile device. So when we open it, it is showing a modal window to subscribe for a text messages notifications. We have a notification bar again. The mega menu is actually pretty basic, and it is not containing those icons. Definitely that could be improved, because those icons were looking very cool, and we have some examples that maintain those mega menus also on mobile. All the sections are the same like on the desktop, so we have the categories and collections highlights here, the specific collection highlight with a scrollable experience, horizontal scroll, the banner section for a teaser of a specific collection, gift card, the impact section, and the footer. Let's take a look on how the collection page look like. So this is the holiday sale collection page, and it looks pretty standardized in the classic way. I would say default Shopify look and feel with a bunch of filters. We can see here that some of the filters have underscores here, so it's a bug. And from the perspective of interesting is that we can filter by color, and it's quite nice. Besides that, we can see the display settings here on how the products could be shown, the product thumbnails. So let's take a look on PDP now. So we have the scrollable product images. I would suggest that the image height on this carousel would be consistent without this bottom side jumping. And the reason why it's happening is because the images are not having the same height. Sticky add to cart button and the bar. So it is a pretty cool idea to improve conversions. So it is always visible. And we have here some information which is pretty crucial in the holiday season when customers want to buy a gift and just make sure that it will arrive on time for someone they want to surprise and impress. Here's the detailed timeline, what is happening if we order today, and when the order will be arriving. Tabbed content for description of a product, additional details on shipping and return, and warranty and support. There is a section with the upsells you might also like. Something is wrong with it because it's not scrollable right away, but I guess it will work on the real device. Reviews section, it is an embedded section from a reviews app, and it features a whole bunch of reviews here and a footer. So that's a quick recap for GSI Outdoor Store. Hope you liked it. Please open getsections.com and find detailed stores breakdowns, and each section is possible to be installed on your store in one click. Thank you very much, and see you again very soon. Bye.